Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Reflex failed to initialize Watchdog Error in Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced. Just before we begin, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, make sure to comment down in the comment section down below and I'll happily answer them for you. So let's proceed with the video. First things first, go ahead and launch your Steam right over here, click on Library, go to your game, right click, Properties, Installed Files right over here, and verify integrity of game files. What will this do? It's going to fix any corrupted files or missing files that might be happening because of the error. So once the verify integrity of game files is done, and it should be fixed. As you can see, successfully validated. This is a Steam tool that most fixes are for this game. Go ahead and exit out and relaunch your game, and if the problem still persists, what I'd recommend is go ahead and update your GPU driver. For me, we have an NVIDIA, or basically this is the same process for any GPU drivers. Go ahead and click on the icons right over here. Right click on your NVIDIA, click on NVIDIA app, wait for the window to pop up. Right over here, click on drivers, and download the latest GPU driver for you, and do the installation process and restart your PC basically. Once the PC is restarted, relaunch your game and it should be fixed. One last thing is basically on your Steam once more, open up again once more, right click on your game, go to manage, browse local files, right click on executable file for the game, click properties, compatibility, and run this program as administrator and make sure that is it ticked on. Click apply, okay, and then relaunch your game over here and it should be fixed. And I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if it helped you fix the game, please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.